Are your Google ads getting you the results that you want? Most people's ads underperform because the ads aren't written well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 8 secrets to writing AdWords ads that make you money and help your ads perform at the optimal levels that you want them to work at. Hey everyone, I'm Richard Cruz. My agency tests and develops cutting-edge Google Ads strategy every day. And in these videos, we share with you the best tips and strategies to help you see better results with your own Google Ads campaigns. Hey, but before we get started, click that subscribe button if you'd like to receive free Google Ad tips. The way that you write and structure your ads is the heart of your Google Ads campaigns. Remember, your ads are side by side with competitors' ads. And so you got to know how to make AdWords ads stand out to get the conversion. That's going to give you 2 immediate benefits. Your click-through rates or your CTRs, they're going to be higher. And it's going to tell Google that your ads are high quality and that they're relevant to search audiences. And they're going to reward you. You will see your overall performance and cost benefit. The other thing is that you'll get better quality traffic as a result of your ads being written well. So before I go into my points, I'm just going to give you some overviews of things that I want you to be aware of and how to write AdWords ads that effectively reach potential customers. They should include A, being specific, B, being relevant, being attractive, and being empowering. So let me break down my 8 tips for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to be able to do that. Number 1. Highlight your unique features and benefits and social proof. Do you have free shipping? You have like the items like the largest selection. Tell people, showcase the products or the services or the offers that make you competitive. I can't even tell you how often I see ads and they're just written poorly where they're not really bringing out those competitive social proofs. You know, have you been in business for 25 years? Have you won certain awards? All of those things are so relevant, and you want to make sure that you're really taking your time and writing and including those things. Item number 2, include your promotions and exclusive benefits and pricing. See, people often ask me if they should include price, and I say that if it's relevant, yes, by all means, include price. If someone cannot afford your product or your service, you'd rather let them slide right by instead of wasting your click with the wrong traffic. Many people will make their decisions at the ad browsing level. So give them what they need so that they can decide. And if you have a limited time offer or an exclusive product, say so right in there. Number 3, call to action. I want you to include a really clear call to action. Help your potential customers to take action. When you're writing AdWords ads, make it clear. Tell people what they can buy. Hey, are you offering a service? Tell people how they can contact you. Your call to action or your CTA has to be super crystal clear. Call to actions like buy now, call today, sign up, request a quote. They're so crucial. And if you really want to know how to write AdWords ads that convert into customers, make sure that you have a clear and compelling call to action and lay out clearly what the next steps are. Again, not even begin to tell you how often I see ads that have no call to actions, absolutely unclear. And when you're doing these steps here, your ads are going to shine in comparison to your competition. Just watch. Item number 4, include a minimum of 1 of your keywords in your headline, in your description. Again, I can't tell you how often I see that mistake made. Make sure you do that. It's crucial. So including your keywords in your ad text, it shows relevance to what people want. So for example, if you've included personal injury attorney as a keyword, your ad headline could be top personal injury attorney. Those are some neat advantages in how to make AdWords ads that will set you apart from your competition and attract more customers. Number 5, carry the scent to your landing page. Oh, this is so important. On your website or landing page, make sure that the keywords are clearly there. And also that you used in writing your AdWords ads headlines, and make sure that your specials and that your promotions and your products that are in your ad are included there also. This is called ad relevance, and it's critical to Google, and it's critical to you as far as the pricing and the ranking that Google's going to give you. And it's so important for that overall quality score. And you don't want also people to leave your website because they couldn't find what they expected. So carry the scent all the way from the keyword, all the way to the headline, all the way to the description, all the way to the landing page. Whatever you're building in as far as the offers, the promotions, the specials in your headlines, in your descriptions, bring them over into your landing page. Do that and watch how effective your ads are going to be working for you. Number 6, appeal to mobile shoppers. Hey, we are seeing a drastic increase in search results being mobile every single year. More people are viewing your ads on mobile than on desktop, and more users are likely to want to know where you are when they're on mobile, or they're going to want to know how to call you with one-click dial feature. So show your location, include a clickable phone number. You can do that easily by using location extensions and call extensions. Again, so many times those are missed on mobile. In your setup screen, it typically will not show those. And so you have to actually hit the actual button to show you more extensions, and you need to bring those in your setup and get those included. Preview your ads and your images on mobile, because your ads can appear so different on mobile than they do on desktop. See how your site scores on mobile as well too. Your site speed is huge. You can get quick fixes to be able to improve that, to be able to speed it up. You can test your site. I like using a free tool. It's from Google called Google Page Developer Site Speed Tool. Put that in your landing page URL. It's going to tell you how fast your mobile page loaded. I'm going to put a link down below for you. You can link right to it from there. You should shoot for a score of 90% plus. And if you're not getting that, I suggest doing some site speed optimization to your landing page or your website so that it loads in that 90 seconds or above. Why is that so important? One is because Google is going to be measuring you on that, and you will be suppressed if you're not loading quickly. Number 2 is that people bounce, especially on mobile. People have the attention span of a gnat. And if they click through from your ad, which just cost you a click, and they're waiting for it to load, you're talking, if that's not loaded in a few seconds, folks, they're gone. They're off to the next one. Your competition is just one line away, folks, and you don't want to be giving that up because of slow loading speeds. This is where, especially on mobile, you have to be fast, because think about this. Not every mobile user is always going to be in a strong area. Let's say you've got 5 bars. I'm shopping and I have only 1.5 bars. So my loading speed has dropped and it's lower than normal. Now, your landing page happens to have poor loading speeds and it's ranking a 50 or a 60. You add those two together, my low reception, which is slowing things down, and you already have a slow loading landing page. Let's say your landing page speed is 5 seconds on average. That's under optimal conditions. Because I'm in a poor area, it could now take 10 or 12 seconds. Your average customer will not wait that long. I promise you that they will not. So what you want to do so that you can put as many odds in your favor, you want to make your site absolutely optimal, fast loading, 3 seconds and below. If you can get it to 1 second, get it to 1 second. That's what we do. We tweak our sites for fast loading. We build HTML sites specifically that will load very, very quickly. We use AMP as well too. If you want to know more about AMP, just reach out to me at wsiprioritymedia.net. I can give you more details. But we take into consideration that some people are going to have lower than optimum loading speeds. And so we're going to give the fastest loading possible platform here so that our chances of getting that user interaction in our website is as high as possible every single time. It's up to you folks to ensure your success. So your page speed, I could not emphasize how critical that is. Enough on that. I can go on for it all day long. I hope you could tell. Number 7, A/B test. Create several ads for each ad group. And I suggest that you have 3, maybe to 4 ads and use different messages for each to see which does best. Google Ads is going to rotate them automatically to show the best performing ads and ad configurations more often. So give it plenty of data. you can see when you're creating your ads that you can literally just do one headline and one description. No, use it, load it all up, give it plenty of different headlines, plenty of descriptions, and let the system help you learn what your consumers are looking for. And finally, the last one, number 8, check for errors. You'd think that we shouldn't have to say this, right? But check for common ad text errors. Writing AdWords ads takes patience. Use that extra care that you don't have extra spaces, weird capitalization, unclear URLs, or spelling errors, even worse. All those things can just create this bad first impression. Don't shoot yourself in the foot. Put your best foot forward, get your best ads out there, get every single item in line to give you the greatest chances of success. And that is how you make AdWords ads that will perform well in Google Ads. Writing AdWords ads with these tips in mind are going to make a world of difference in how your ads do. And in this video, if you had an aha and you just learned one thing that can help you with your Google Ads, do me a favor. Put that in the comment box below. I love your input. It helps me make better videos later on. And if I can be of service, contact me anytime at wsiprioritymedia.net. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it, subscribe so that you're alerted of future training videos like this. Thank you for watching.